Okay, so here's how you connect your phone to your Toshiba Smart TV. So first you want to press on the home button right here. So we're taken to this home screen. Then what we have to do is go up a bit and then to the right once, 2 times and 3 times until we get this screen right here. So we want to press on OK. It will open up this. So right here, as you can see, the third option is for screen mirroring. And if we press on it, it will show us how we can do it. Activate screen mirroring on the mobile device, then find your TV number, and then it will cast it. So I'm going to show you. So I have my phone right here. So it's an Android. So as you can see from the settings, the second tab, not the first one, but the second one, we have the option to cast. So if we click on it, it will show us that we have to be connected to the same device, and right here it will detect your TV, and if you want to cast it, all you gotta do is tap on it and it will connect your phone to the TV. So I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.